how to view your page events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find here this one, pages, and click on it. Then select your page, and now just go down. Here you will find events, click on it, and here you can find view your events, your page events. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.